Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by taking a representative water sample and acting quickly to avoid contamination. First, collect about 100 to 250 ml in a clean container and label it with time and source. Next, make sure the sample is near room temperature. Sudden hot or cold can skew reactions. Once done, open the test strip packet only when you're ready to dip and avoid touching the reagent pads. These initial moves protect accuracy and set up the rest of the process. You now perform the core action, dip and time. Immerse the strip fully for the exact seconds specified, usually 1 to 3 seconds, and briskly remove it. Do not swirl. Then gently flick or shake to shed excess drops, but never rub the pads, which can smear reagents. Wait the precise development intervals for each pad. Some require 15 seconds, others minutes. Then immediately compare each pad to the color chart under good light so you can accurately read the results. You finish by recording results and taking corrective steps if needed. Note each value, the exact read time, sample temperature, and any visual cues so you can track trends. If a pad color looks ambiguous, retest immediately with a fresh strip and a fresh sample to confirm. If results stay inconsistent, make sure strips aren't expired, were stored correctly, and that common interferences like chlorine, heavy dosing, or high turbidity aren't present. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify strip integrity before blaming the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.